here for you, Malibu. This statement says it all about DJ Scheffler Nye's commitment to the residents of Malibu. It's been that way since 1989 when we first brought our foundation drilling expertise to the area. We are truly vested in this magical community. DJ Scheffler Nye has worked on numerous projects as diverse as building foundations for large beachfront estates to rescuing homes in the Malibu mountains from landslide damage. Over the years, the Malibu community has been very welcoming to us. So when rains posed possible flood damages after the Woolsey fire, it's only natural DJ Scheffler Nye would be there, giving away thousands of free, pre-filled sandbags to help residents avoid flood damage to their property. Just our small way of giving back.
Truckloads of sand were dropped off and quickly bagged up with the help of the sandmaster on a tractor, 20 bags filled at a time. DJ Scheffler Nye, the foundation drilling company, has donated thousands of dollars worth of sand, equipment, labor, and fuel to help the people of Malibu still recovering from the Woolsey fire and a string of storms.
And now, after the devastating fires, Malibu is starting to rise up once again. As soon as the ink was dry on the permits, the DJ Scheffler Nye crew was on the job, hard at work, laying the groundwork for the strong foundations on which Malibu residents can rebuild their dreams. We are uniquely qualified to provide expert guidance on rebuilding in Malibu after the fires. There are new legal and safety standards that must be adhered to. Trust that DJ Scheffler Nye will adhere to these new regulations while delivering customized solutions tailored to your site's specific geotechnical conditions. DJ Scheffler Nye, we're here for you, Malibu.